If you're struggling with dry eyes, burning eyes, itchy eyes, or any type of eye discomfort, irritation, or inflammation, then you've come to the right place. Because today I'm going to share with you a very special herb blend that seniors swear by that will help repair your eyes while you sleep so that you wake up in the morning with eyes that feel like they're brand new again. Before we get started, let me just say that this nighttime blend is not only powerful for repairing the eyes, but it can also be used for other parts of your body as well, such as your face, neck, arms, and hands. And there are even people who use this blend on their pets to soothe and repair their skin and coat. So if you stick with me all the way to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can use this powerful blend on your pets as well. But first, why do seniors seem to have fewer problems with their eyes? Well, this is because over the years they learn what works best for them and what doesn't. And one of the things that most seniors swear by for maintaining healthy eyes is this simple yet powerful nighttime herb blend. This blend was passed down from older generations because it has been proven for centuries to reduce redness, irritation, burning, stinging, dryness, and itchiness in the eyes. It can even be used to help repair damage to the cornea caused by injuries, surgeries, or other medical procedures. And it's so gentle and natural that it can be used safely on babies, children, adults, and even pets. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is this magical eye blend? Well, let me tell you. This blend consists of 4 powerful herbs that, when combined together, create an extremely soothing and healing effect on the eyes. The first herb is chamomile. Chamomile is known for its calming properties, but did you know that it can also be used to soothe and heal the eyes? The anti-inflammatory properties of chamomile can help reduce redness, irritation, and burning in the eyes. The second herb is lavender. Lavender is not only a fragrant herb, but it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help keep the eyes free from infection. It can also help soothe and heal the eyes from irritation and inflammation. The third herb is calendula. Calendula is a powerful healer, and its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness, swelling, and irritation in the eyes. It can also help repair damage to the cornea caused by injuries or medical procedures. And the fourth and final herb is aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, which can help moisturize the eyes and reduce dryness, burning, and stinging. It can also help repair damage to the cornea and conjunctiva caused by injuries or medical procedures. These 4 herbs work together to soothe and heal the eyes from various types of discomfort, irritation, and inflammation. Together, they form a powerful blend that can bring immediate relief to your tired, aching eyes. Now let me show you how you can use this powerful blend every night before going to bed to wake up in the morning with eyes that feel like they're brand new again. To make this, add 1 cup of boiling water to a mixing bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers, 2 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers, 1 tablespoon of dried calendula petals, and 1 tablespoon of dried aloe vera leaf powder. Stir this mixture for a few minutes until all the herbs are evenly distributed in the water. Then cover the bowl and let it steep for about 30 minutes. After steeping, strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or a strainer to collect the liquid. This liquid contains the essence of all the herbs and is ready to be used as an eye wash. To use this eye wash, soak a cotton ball or cotton pad in the liquid and gently apply it on your eyelids and eyelashes. Repeat this on both eyes, and you can even apply more if needed. For those with severe dry eyes, I recommend putting a few drops in each eye. Let it sit in your eyes for about 30 seconds to a minute, then blink a few times to let it spread around your eyes. If your eyes are still feeling irritated, you can rinse them with water and pat them dry. But remember, there's no need to rinse them out because the remaining liquid will continue to work even after you've patted your eyes dry. Now let me share with you some additional tips for using this nighttime herb blend for optimal results. First, always test a small amount of the liquid on your arm or leg before applying it to your eyes to ensure that you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. If you experience any allergic reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Second, if your eyes are heavily irritated or inflamed, it's important to rinse them thoroughly with water before applying the eye wash. This will help remove any debris or foreign objects that may be causing the irritation. Third, store the remaining eye wash in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for up to 7 days. However, I recommend making fresh eye wash every 3 days for optimal results. And finally, if you wear contact lenses, it's important to remove them before applying the eye wash. You can put the eye wash on your eyes while wearing your contacts, but I recommend taking them out first for a better result. Also, wait at least 30 minutes before putting your contacts back in. It's important to note that this nighttime eye remedy is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It's simply a natural and soothing way to care for your eyes and promote healthy vision. If you have any concerns about your eye health, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. Now, as I promised, I want to show you how you can use this nighttime herb blend on other parts of your body, particularly your face and neck. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of these herbs can help reduce signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, leaving your skin looking smoother and brighter. To use this blend on your face and neck, you can follow these 3 simple steps. First, cleanse your face and neck thoroughly to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. This will help ensure that your skin is ready to absorb the beneficial properties of the herb blend. Second, apply the eye wash to a cotton pad and gently wipe your face and neck in upward motions. Avoid the eye area when doing this. Be gentle and don't press too hard, as this could cause irritation or inflammation. Third, allow the eye wash to sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Pat your face and neck dry and follow with your regular moisturizer and sunscreen. This nighttime herb blend can be a valuable addition to your skincare routine, providing a natural and effective way to soothe and nourish your skin. So give it a try and experience the benefits of this powerful blend for yourself. And now here comes the exciting part. Did you know that this soothing eye wash can also be used on your beloved pets? Yes, that's right. Our furry friends can benefit from the same natural remedies that we do. Whether your pet has dry, itchy, or irritated skin or eyes, this eye wash can help soothe and heal their discomfort. Just like us, our pets can experience redness, irritation, and burning in their eyes due to allergies, environmental factors, or injuries. And this eye wash can provide relief for our furry companions as well. To use it on your pets, simply follow these 3 easy steps. First, make sure the eye wash is safe for your pet by consulting with your vet. Always test a small amount on your pet's skin before applying it to their eyes or larger areas of skin. Second, gently apply the eye wash to a cotton ball or pad and dab it on your pet's affected eyes. Be gentle and avoid getting any liquid in their ears or nose. And third, let the eye wash sit on your pet's fur for 10 to 15 minutes before wiping it off with a clean, damp cloth. This will help soothe and heal their eyes and skin. Remember, if your pet's eyes are red, irritated, or swollen, it's essential to consult with your vet before trying any home remedies. With proper care and attention, you can help your furry friend feel comfortable and happy again. So give this soothing eye wash a try and experience the difference it can make for both you and your pet. Remember, nature has incredible healing power, and these simple remedies can make a big difference in our lives. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you'd like to learn more about natural health and wellness tips, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and take care.